So here's a great story, Ray. I was cooking fajitas for Costco, for a fajita company, RYC, Auto Cheddar Meats. You can get them at Costco's. So I was cooking a couple of 200 pounds of fajita, and I look over, and there's about 6 different Traegers there, because they sell Traeger at the Costco's. And they were cooking the pork butts for Costco, and I looked over, and it showed an arrow code on his display. And I go, "Hey, bub, what's going on here? You got an arrow in here." He goes, "Oh, whoa, what's going on?" And mind you, this is, their Traeger Pro staff. Goes and he goes, "Oh shoot, I ran out of pellets." And I go, "How long, how long were you cooking?" He goes, "Well, it should have been done." And he opened up the pit, and he still needed probably a good another 2 hours on his pork butt. And he was like, "Shoot." He goes, I gotta add more pellets." I go, "Yeah, that's a damn shame. Ever heard of REC TEC? They got a 40-pound hopper." He kind of just looked at me, and he noticed the hat I was wearing, and he kind of just shook his head and walked away. But that's my little story on that. I have another little story that was great. I was at a cook-off. I won't say which one, but one of the other competitors said, "Hey, did you cook all your meats on that?" I go, "I sure did." And he goes, "Well, if you ever want to come to our side, let me know." I was like, "No, I think I'm just fine where I'm at." And so that was a pretty big cook too.